It's a day in the life of a construction man making a dock.
Hey! Hey! He's coming, and you wanna go home? Hey! Oh, mama, it feels so my life was a long arm of Amen, it's coming down.
Hello, vinyl community. So I'm back with another recorded Oddities, and I felt like this one was appropriate, but moreover, it's the only one in which I had prepped for before Hurricane Harvey. But anyways, as you can tell from the intro slide, it is Jim Robinson, Construction Man Job 001. And yeah, this one is a record that could not be made today. I mean, back in the 70s, maybe. But this is just so risque, and I think even back in the time it would raise some eyebrows. But you know, it's a construction guy, so what do you expect? Anyways, there's some wonderful shots here of Mr. Robinson, and here, take a look at this guy's helmet and what he has on it. Yeah. But so I want to play you one of the more eye-browsing tracks, which is Imitation Jewelry. Listen to this.
Then I saw her sitting in the shadows, with the jukebox lights a dancing in her hair. She whispered, "Mister, come and sit beside me, and we might find a way of leaving here." She was hardly more than a baby, 17 or 18 at the most, trying her best to look just like a lady of the night.
Did you like that? So yeah, this is just so odd. And there's a little statement here. It says, "We sincerely hope you enjoyed Job 001, and we're looking forward to Job 002, but in case you don't, we refer you back to Cram Records division of ITUP Incorporated." Well, Cram Records only had one release according to Discogs, and it was this guy here. They never got to job number 2 at all. Anyway, here's a couple more tracks for you.
I've been down in Louisiana working on a river, and all of them are Cajun queens I seen just might as well drop a dead, that's what I said, yeah. Along the side Bonnie, baby Texas, here I come, right back where I started from. I just can't wait till I get some of that loving from my Bonnie, a June sweet a Bonnie, loving from my Bonnie, a June sweet a Bonnie, loving from my Bonnie June. I think she's so fine, she's married to a friend of mine, and everybody loves sweet Laverne, 'cause she's a what-do girl. She makes my candle burn. She's a what-do girl. Sweet Laverne, what-do, sweet Laverne. There's Ann, Jan, June and Johnny, Kitty, Kay, Sam and Connie, Virgie, Rulane, Jane and Bonnie. I love mini skirts, blondes and the brunettes that fit my plans, and I'm gonna be the dirty old man, 'cause I got a lot of loving left in me.
And I got to conclude here with Houston before I get into a little hurricane update. So here is the song Houston, Texas, US of A, because we're going to need some construction guys at this point.
It started out in Houston, Texas, US of A, on a Monday morning, the 21st of May. I was home relaxing, watching Captain Kangaroo, anticipating a nooner and having a brew or two.
So, just a little storm status, hurricane status, if you're curious. So, the past couple days, outside of my front window, it's looked like this. So as you can see here, I mean, the water is still covering my sidewalk to some degree, but it hasn't completely drained. And earlier I was, in the video that I had before, I was showing you the drainage ditch and the water retention pond and the water levels before we got the major rain. Well, I found one of my neighbors had taken some video on his ATV. So here you go. This is what the water retention pond and the drainage area look like now. It is just a massive lake. Now, what's really odd is, you know, I was hearing boats off in the background, so I knew something was going on. But, you know, I can't venture out because, you know, the water is still pretty deep. I mean, I could probably run my truck through it, but I really don't care to at this point because I don't know what's going to happen. But I'm hearing boats in the background, and this is a scene probably a kilometer away from me, a little less than a mile. So, yes. This is what one of the major intersections look like. And so if you've been watching international news and you see the town of Dickinson, my city borders Dickinson. So this is what, you know, it's looking like right now.
It's a day in the life of a construction man making a dock.
Coming, and you wanna go home. Dale! Oh, mama, it feels for my life was long, Amen, it's coming down.
I wanna dance with somebody. I wanna feel the heat with somebody.
Hello, vinyl community. So I'm back with another recorded oddities, and I felt like this one was appropriate, but moreover, it's the only one in which I had prepped for before Hurricane Harvey. But anyways, as you can tell from the intro slide, it is Jim Robinson, Construction Man Job 001. And yeah, this one is a record that could not be made today. I mean, back in the 70s, maybe. But this is just so risque. And I think even back in the time, it would raise some eyebrows. But, you know, it's a construction guy, so what do you expect? Anyways, there's some wonderful shots here of Mr. Robinson.